join Elizabeth Irving in the singing of the Star Spangled Banner.
Vancouver, Whitecaps, and MLS are growing at a rapid rate. That's the salary cap. The Super Draft is actually contrary to everywhere else in the world. There are contracts with countries all over the world that watch MLS, primarily because some of the players from those countries.
Lots of questions throughout the year. We're always engaging with them. And we have 4 distinct fan bucket types, we call them. So there's 4 distinct types of fan, and a lot of younger people are looking for consumer choice and having the ultimate flexibility with, it doesn't matter just our ticketing products, but other products in general. And that's what our business intelligence team that we work with to continue to use data to drive our decisions. But I'll give you an example. One of the things we do here is we call it dynamic pricing.
For our partners is the ability to actually have an engagement with the fan base. So sometimes that is at our games where they can have representatives of their company. As Major League Soccer grows and as soccer grows in North America, the ability to invest, use the sports teams as an investment grows as well. Or Kia, both of which we engaged because we had YP Lee there. So strategically it helps us very strong.